begin with, take your hands around the fabric, pull up slightly, going into a straddle with open legs, expanded chest. From there, slide your right leg inside and around, left leg inside and around. Bend your right knee, climb up. From the right side, bend the left leg as well. From there, extend both the legs as you inhale. As you exhale, pelvis, chest, head to come into upavistakonasana. Find balance. From there, slide your hands up. Simply bring your legs together and slide your shoulders out one by one to come into a arch back dhanurasana. Keep breathing well. From there, let your left hand go, bend your right knee and come down to an inverted stag. Make sure the knee clip behind the right leg is very strong. Hands on the left side, release your right leg to come out of it. Coming to what not to do, you pull up and you straddle, but your legs back of the knees are bent and feet have no energy. We don't want that. Take your right leg, left leg inside, but the legs don't completely extend. We don't want that. Extend completely. Bend your right knee, make sure it's behind the knee, yeah? Fabric is behind the knee. From there, keeping your feet together, you start trying to climb up like this. No, we don't want that. Extend both your legs. Inhale. On the exhale, coming up to an upavistakonasana. Yeah? Keep the back of the knee straight, feet pointed. From there, you might want to change the grip of your hands. We don't want that. Just close your legs. Again, do not change the grip of your hands. Simply slide the shoulders outside. Yeah? From the dhanurasana, you might feel you don't have the strength, so that's why you lock your right elbow on the fabric and then try to drop. Don't do that. Keep both your hands exactly where they are. Simply let go of the left hand and bend your right knee and slowly come down into an inverted stag. Make sure the back of the knee are not bent, they are straight. Both hands on left side of the fabric. Release the right leg from the right side. Going into slow motion explanation, everyone. Rotate your shoulders inward, pull up to go into a straddle, straight legs, pointed feet. From there, you let your hands go. You will slide one leg at a time inside the fabric. Right leg first, inside, foot around. Left leg inside and then foot around the fabric, yeah? Bend your right knee. Try to reach with your right hand right next to your left foot. From there, reach with your left arm and bend your left knee as well. From there, bring your feet together. Keep your chin tucked in. Inhale to extend your legs. Make them completely straight. And exhale, lead with your pelvis, chest, and then the head comes up last. From there, find balance in upavistakonasana. Let both hands go. Keep making sure that the back of the knees is straight. From there, we pull up. Close our legs to basically slide the fabric into a more comfortable position. That's the reason you're doing this. Then slide your shoulders out to come into an arch back dhanurasana. Make sure elbows are straight even here, feet are pointed, back of the knees straight. To come into inverted stag, let your left hand go, bend your right knee. Whichever hand goes, the opposite knee will bend to come into an inverted stag. Make sure the right knee clip is very strong, very, very essential. From there, to come out of the inverted stag, bring both your hands on the left side of the fabric, release the right leg and tuck your chin in and come out of it.